Hey everyone, welcome to my very first vlog. I'm so excited to share this special experience with you all. Today I am at a beautiful hill station surrounded by a misty mountains and a fresh air. And guess what? Where I'm going to cook a simple yet super tasty fish fry in this amazing setting. It's my first time shooting a video like this, so come along with me on this journey from the local market to the final crispy bites. Let's get started. Yeah, first we brought a fish from the local market and picked out some fresh pomfret fish for it is very perfect for the crispy fry. There are many varieties of fish there, but for fish fry, pomfret or kingfish are best and tasty as well. And that we backed at a beautiful spot where we parked our car and we settled our kitchen setups. See how the beautiful weather it is. So, for ingredients we want like chili powder, garam masala. See guys how beautiful it is with the fish and all we need a fish fry masala and turmeric powder. We kept the pan at a grass because we want a beautiful video clip, and we put it a salt. See, that is a hanging bridge. We settled our setup in the kalsa hanging bridge, near hanging bridge. This is a ginger garlic paste. I added some water. See guys, yeah, it is our like cooker. We prepared our rice in that. I added a gram flour or besan flour. It will give a very taste, and it will give a flavor like it was ready to soak in their flavors. After that I added some water. See, this is the fish we brought from the market, and they made the pieces like this, and we washed that completely neatly. We washed, and I mixed that all the spices. These are the like coriander and curry patta and green chilies. See guys, that is a hill station. We came for a Netravati time. As soon as cooker whistle also done. See guys how beautiful it is. See the views, and I start marinated the fish pieces. It's really in between 8 to 9 pieces of fish. We brought a 1 kg fish that was so big. We can serve it with like 4 to 5% can eat. We are 3 of us. It is for us it became a more fish pieces. I marinated them well. See, you should marinate like this. Yeah, once more you see guys how beautiful it is. There you can see the hanging bridge there. The experience was true, like heaven it was. I marinated all the fish pieces with all spices and touched of gram flour, a quick rub, and it was ready to soak in the flavors. I tried to remove that was the fish. Didn't came. I marinated with spices, and I added a chopped chili, green chili and coriander, and I added a mint. Lastly, I added a mint leaves. I rest it for half an hour to soak that all the flavors of the spices. I heated some oil in the pan, placed it in the gas which we are taken with our, and I put a pieces of the fishes on it and let it sizzle till golden brown on both sides. The aroma was unreal. You can't expect how tasty it was. Yeah guys, see, in this view you will do this now. It will take a next level. Yeah, I flipped that. My fingers are burning. We don't have the like knife, anything that to twist that, so I done with my hands only. Yeah, see, after that I taken a knife to roast that fish. Served hot and crispy with a view you just can't beat. A simple dish made a special by the place and the moment. Yeah, sometimes it's not about the fancy meals, but the real food made with the love in unforgettable place. I added some lemon juice on it. Yeah, see. Do subscribe my channel for this kind of recipes at the view. Thank you all.